Look at those! Whoa! What is that? It's so beautiful! They're amazing!
This is the night animal area.
This is a raccoon. It is awake at night.
It eats many foods.
This is an owl. It can see at night.
The owl flies quietly.
What is this animal? This is a bat. It flies at night. The bat sleeps upside down.
These animals are awake at night.
Ooh.
Wow,
Wow.
like the owl.
Ooh. Wow, look at that big one over there.
It's magnificent.
So big.
Let's go see it up close.
Yes, but it's so cute. This is a cow.
The cow gives milk.
This is a goat.
Look at the goat. It's so cute.
Can we pet it? The goat eats grass.
This is a donkey.
The donkey is strong.
This is a chicken. Ah,
Cool.
oh,
Yeah.
cool.
The chicken lays eggs.
Oi! This is a duck. Wow, a duck. Look, it's flapping. The duck can swim.
Oh, oh. Then, these are farm animals.
Wow!
Wow, Dad, look at them.
We learn many animals here.
This is a seal.
Ooh, look, it's so cute.
Wow, it's swimming.
The seal likes water. This is an otter. Wow, he's so fast. Yes, they love to swim.
It is so cute.
This is the desert area.
This is a camel.
The camel lives in the desert.
This is a fennec fox.
Wow, look! Its ears are very big.
This is a meerkat.
The meerkat stands tall. This is a lizard. It moves fast. This is the forest area. Ah! This is a sloth. He moves very slowly. Why is he upside down? That's how sloths live in trees.
It is very slow.
This is an anteater.
Is an anteater.
Wow, Dad, look!
It eats ants. This is a hedgehog. It is small. The hedgehog has spikes.
What is this animal?
This is a badger.
It walks slowly.
This is a skunk. It smells strong.
This forest is fun. Today, we learned many animals.
I am very happy.
Let's take a photo.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more lessons. Bye-bye.